Today's video is all about updates. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm OriginaldoBo, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. I have long been overdue to give a professional update video on the channel, but give you a little bit of a state of the union of my channel and what you can expect. If you're hitting that subscribe button, thank you very much, but I think you should know what to expect from my channel. If you haven't noticed, my videos have sort of tapered off a little bit and dropped off in a sense. And that's mostly because with my job, I have to travel at least once a month, and it really limits about how many videos that I can do a month. And I try to upload at least 4 videos a week. The past couple of weeks, I just really haven't had enough of content. There's not been enough of new information. And sometimes it's nice to take a little bit of a break away from creating videos or having to create videos and just enjoy life. First things first, I want to talk a little bit more about Up in the Air Live. We are going to be going on our 13th episode. That is crazy, 13 episodes in, and it's going pretty great. I'm very happy, and I want to thank Billy Kyle so much for hanging out with me every Monday night and being so prepared. A lot of the success the show has had so far is because he is such a prepared person. He brings some great content, and it's always nice to have somebody to chat with. So thank you so much for him for coming on, and we're going to continue to do great things. We're going to try to revamp the show a little bit and try to get a little bit more structured content. I'm thinking about trending it down to 45 minutes for stream time. I think that's the perfect length for a show. So 45 minutes will probably be the new stream time length. If we have a special guest or something, maybe we'll go an hour, but I think 45 minutes is about all anybody can stand to watch a show straight through. Let me know what you think about time frames. I'm doing 8:30 Eastern now, but if you guys think we should do later or we should do earlier, let me know in the comment section below if it should be earlier or later. Update number 2 comes into play of the Autel Evo. As many of you know, I did put a pre-order in with Carolina Drones, and as of right now, May 28th, or is it May 28th? What day is it? May 29th. Nothing has changed. We haven't heard anything else. I did see somebody comment below that there's supposed to be an event or something that they're having, and there's supposed to be a release. At this point, I've almost given up and not even worried about the money that I put out. The way I look at it is if it doesn't launch in June, I will be forced to cancel my pre-order to get my 75 bucks back, and I'll probably put that money towards like a gimbal or something that is way more useful than a drone that's not launching. But as of right now, still no new info. Somebody did email me today and said that they talked to somebody, and that somebody said that next week is the hot week for when it's going to launch. But again, we've heard this before, so nothing new. Update number 3, I want to do my desk setup tour for 2018. I've made a lot of changes since last year when I did my desk setup tour. I'm still waiting to film this video. I'm actually tearing apart my computer yet again and putting it in a brand new case and updating the processor. So I'm gonna wait for all of that before I do a desk setup tour, and I'm still waiting on a couple odds and ends to get that video out, but I think you guys will enjoy it. The best part of this setup is that it uses 2 different types of computers, 2 different OSs, and I can seamlessly switch between both OSs on the same monitor, and it's just going to be awesome. So stay tuned for that. And then the final update of the video is I want to give a thank you to some of my top subscribers that comment on every single video, and they're just usually generally very, very positive. And that's Rick Halber, who has commented on almost every single video and always has something constructive and positive to say. So thank you so very much. And then the second person I want to call out is Steve Carpenter. Steve Carpenter always comments on every single video, and it's always very, very positive. Never anything negative to say, good or bad. It's just always positive. So those 2 guys always say something nice. The negative comments always get a lot of attention, but these 2 guys always say something positive on somebody's video. So to the both of you, thank you so much for being subscribers. You guys are awesome. You're the embodiment of positivity on the internet, and I couldn't ask for 2 better people to be subscribed and interact with on the daily. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. I will see you all in the next one. Stay original.